What's going on? So today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Man Threatens Police Get Instant Karma." All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about.
This man is about to find out what happens when you threaten Florida cops.
Sir, I ain't done nothing.
I gave you a lawful order.
He just walked in and just grabbed me and snatched me out of the house. I ain't done nothing. But you have to put your hands on me again.
Yes.
As a citizen, I will knock the shit out of you.
Back up.
And I mean it.
Officers were called to this man's home after reports of domestic abuse. With the understanding that the alleged victim is unconscious in the house, our lead officer isn't here to play games and wasted no time investigating the matter.
I know Mark stays in there. Mark, the complainant. Sheriff's office. Come out and talk to us.
We're all right.
We're all right?
Yeah, we already worked it out.
Okay, what's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby, come out here and talk to me for a second.
I got to take care of him.
Come out here and talk to me for a second. That's not a question. That's not a question.
Sir.
Get outside.
Hey, I didn't.
That's not a question.
Okay, just so you know, you see what he's doing, right? It's against the law for him to do that. I ain't done nothing.
Do not go back
I ain't
inside.
done nothing.
I don't know if you're going for weapons, nothing like
Sir,
that.
I ain't done nothing.
I gave you a lawful order.
He just walked in and just grabbed me and snatched me out of the house. I ain't done nothing.
Give me a second. What is going on?
Nothing. There was an altercation. It's settled.
Well, we got a report of a physical altercation that somebody was
And no,
headbutted.
we are
There's somebody unconscious inside.
No.
And I have no idea if you're going inside for weapons or whatever it may be. I told you to stay outside. I gave you a lawful order.
Please.
Here you go.
Now look, I ain't done a darn thing to nobody. Man.
Okay, so let us get our investigation done.
All right. Okay, that's fine.
If it is determined that you did nothing, we'll leave. But when I tell you to stand out here and talk to me, that's a lawful order.
That, but you have to put your hands on me again.
Yes.
As a citizen, I will knock the shit out of you.
Back up.
And I mean it.
All right, you're not.
Because I know. Hey, man, don't. Hey, I didn't do shit to you. Come on.
To the ground. To the ground.
I said I'll lay your hands
To the ground.
Wait,
on the ground.
Get on the ground. I ain't done shit to you. You can't come into my house and do that. No. Calm down. You can't do that. Calm down. You can't do that. He snatched and grabbed me. I ain't done shit to him. I'm telling you, I know my rights. I know my rights, man. You can't do that. I ain't done nothing.
One secure.
I didn't do nothing in the beginning. So I'm telling you. I've been trying to tell you.
Back up.
I ain't done nothing.
You will get a chance.
I ain't done nothing, man.
St. John's 466, 1038, unsecure.
All I was doing.
Well, that escalated quickly. God damn, they got him together real quick. I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of in the middle about it because, in all honesty, the cop changed his words, right? Like, at the door, he was like, "Come talk to me for a second. Come over here, come talk to me for a second." Then he tried to go back in the house, and then in the grass, he said, "Well, that wasn't a question. I'm telling you to stay outside. I'm telling you to stay outside." Well, you didn't say that. You didn't say that. You asked me to step over here to talk to you. So you kind of switching up your shit. And then, you know, I could see him being a little mad because you putting your hands on him or whatever, but I don't know. They got to detain him, though, for a fact, because they can't have him without handcuffs because he's too much of a loose cannon.
I was defending myself. That's all I did. That's all I did, man.
Now you messed up, bud.
I ain't done nothing.
Yeah, you just threatened me.
You
said you're gonna kick my ass.
Put your hands on me. You walked up on the porch, snatched me out of the house.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Put your hands on me. You walked up on the porch, snatched me out of the house. Didn't even ask me, nothing. You snatched me right out of the house.
On my side.
Yeah, well,
She burnt me.
you see
Yeah,
what's
I
on
see.
mine.
I've been trying to
this
help
side.
her.
Roll that way.
I want you to roll and dog. Sit down.
Look, man, I'm telling you, I didn't do nothing.
You just stated to my face, I will kick your ass.
I know, but you can't snatch me out of the house. I didn't do nothing.
Absolutely, I can.
I didn't do shit.
Okay.
Babe, I didn't do nothing. He snatched me out of the
Hey,
house.
can we bring
man.
rescue in?
I ain't done a damn thing.
You do say that you would be in.
I don't care, man. He snatched me out of the house. I ain't even dressed me in my damn boxers.
But yeah,
I didn't.
Yeah, man, you should know better, man. The police could put their hands on you, but you can't put your hands on the police.
Start the altercation. I didn't. I was just defending myself.
We
That's
expect
all I
rescue to
did,
come in
sir.
yet.
I'm taking care of my mom. She pissed herself. I've been sitting here trying to take care of my mother.
Fine.
Tell her. Go ahead and stamp me in office number.
You can't say you're gonna beat law enforcement's
Look,
ass and
can I-
blow up, bro.
Can I get up? Can I get something to drink, please?
You're just gonna hang out.
Can you loosen these up some? I ain't gonna hurt nobody. I'm not.
How'd you get this blood on the back of your head?
Huh?
Or is that just a scab?
Where's my
I
flashlight?
don't know.
Right there.
he has sores all over.
Okay, no problem.
Look, this ain't the first time, man. Tell him. How many times she put her hands on you? 10, 15 times, man. She's.
Yes, she.
Can you please help me up and get these loose? I ain't gonna touch nobody, man. Seriously, I ain't gonna touch no one. Oh, man. I'm sorry about that.
Alright.
I clean your pants and shit.
No, you ain't gotta worry about that. I'll get that taken care of.
Can I please
Yeah,
get something?
absolutely, for threatening me. 100% he's going to jail.
Man,
In an aggressive manner, I told
Well,
him to
you
get
can't
back, and he
take-
said, I'll kick your ass.
take
That's
and
assault
snatch
on
me
a
out
law
of the house.
enforcement
You didn't
officer.
even say what the hell you were doing it for.
I told you to come outside and speak with me.
Look,
Do
man,
not go
I'm
back
telling you
inside
right
the
now.
house. I gave you a lawful
I
order.
don't need no lawyer. I'm telling you. I don't want no lawyer neither. And if I'm going to jail, I do need. I want no. You know what I want? I want a lawyer, and I want to speak to the judge. I want Tinman. I want to speak to Tinman.
You'll get your chance.
Yeah, of course I'm going to. I'm gonna tell him you can't lawfully put your hands on me inside my own home, man. You didn't even tell me what you were here for. You just snatched me out, man. You can't do that. You gotta at least tell me what you're here for. You can't just grab me
I
and
did
snatch
tell
me
you.
out of the damn house. No, you didn't. She put a lit cigarette out on me, man. Right there. She put a lit
Where
cigarette
at?
out on me. That's what started the whole thing.
Where at?
Right here.
Sure.
Right there, sir. That's
Right
what started
there.
the whole altercation. All I did was headbutt her and get her away from me, man.
Okay.
You know? And I didn't mean to
And here's
headbutt
my
her hard.
thing. If we went into a basic conversation, what happened?
I apologize, man, but please, man, don't.
You're getting a felony. I hope you know that.
Oh, come on, please, man.
No,
Please
we're
don't.
not playing games. I'm not going to be sitting here being
God dang,
threatened.
man,
Yeah, bro. It is what it is.
All right, man. Please just get me
We'll
up.
get you up in a second. You can stay right there.
Please.
Do you want fire rescue to come check you out?
Right here on my neck.
It's right here.
Yeah, I'm all right, man.
So you don't want rescue to come check you out?
No,
Okay.
no.
Can I get him some clean juice?
What are you getting, water?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fine.
he doesn't drink.
That's fine. You get water.
This altercation, man, look, she was gonna hit on me and my girlfriend.
Bro, we're out here all the time. And that's my thing. It's, we're out here all the time. If I could have figured out this is a regular conversation, we would be done by now.
Stand up.
But you threatened me, so we're not done.
You ready to go to use it? Ready, 3, 2, 1.
I didn't realize you guys
Hold on, chill out for a second.
I mean, you guys didn't snatch her out there like that. She didn't want to start.
I locked that one, I think.
You want to burn piss out of me? I'm sitting there, I got on my hands, piss on me. My poor mother's in there sick. I'm trying to get to her.
I do too now, so.
Yeah, that's funny. Like where they took him down at had dog shit in the grass. So when he rolled over, he said, "Yeah." The cop said, "Yeah, I want you to roll over in dog shit." That's so foul. I ain't gonna lie. I don't even know if y'all peeped that part. When did that happen? That happened like, what did he say? Roll that way. Yeah. So hold on.
Me right out of the house.
Oh my side.
Yeah, well, I just.
She burned me.
You see
Yeah,
what's
I
on
see.
mine.
I've been
Roll
trying to
this
help
side.
her.
Roll that way.
I want you to roll in dog. Sit down.
Look, man, I'm telling you, I didn't do nothing.
Oh, he said, "I want you to roll in dog shit." He rolled in dog shit, bro. Oh my God. That's insane. Hold on, let me get back to the part we was actually at. Godly.
I'm sitting there, I got on my hands, piss on me. My poor mother's in here sick. I'm
I love you, bro.
trying to
I do too now, so just understand.
I mean, I love the law when they're, you know what I'm saying? But goddamn, man.
You already called Sarge.
I didn't want to put my hands on nobody.
I appreciate it.
But she burnt the piss out of me. Look, she's
We'll
always
handle that.
hitting her all the time.
Yes, he's always.
Can you listen to this other one, brother,
No.
please? And I'm sorry. I apologize, brother.
I tip in the leg sweep.
I'm sorry, brother.
She was coming after me.
Which one do you want loose? This one?
Well, tell him, man. Press charges on her for doing it.
She was coming
God
after
damn,
me.
she's sitting there hitting her all the time.
That's pretty loose. You're good. I mean, you stand up.
Can I get a hug from my girlfriend? No. All right. Bye, Denise. I love you.
Which way is easier for
I'm
you?
sorry. I'll get it. It's all right, honey. Thanks for listening to the past stories. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Good mom. I'll get you some air conditioning back there too, man.
Yeah.
I'll help you out.
Hey, tell me. I love her. That's all right.
What you need,
I
man?
was gonna say, tell him I love her. I hope that she's okay.
Okay. I'm ripping out.
You know, they don't understand this. How come you guys ain't arresting her? She's the one to start the whole thing.
Well, the reason why you're going to jail is because you threatened me. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
It's okay.
But, I mean, I'm top of this, sir. I just got out of bed, man. I just got out.
Well, you woke up on the wrong side. I'll tell you that.
Well, I did. My mom's, you know.
Why are we always out here? We're always out here. This is like my fourth time being out here before.
Robert was charged with assault on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest without violence, and domestic battery. In the end, prosecutors dropped the assault and domestic violence charges. He was sentenced to 364 days of probation, ordered to complete 20 hours of community service, and placed on GPS monitoring.
Damn. Year probation? That's not undoable. You know what I'm saying? That's not undoable. I don't know, though. I think the cops get... I don't know. This is a tricky one, man, because I feel like they kind of jumped the gun a little bit, but the dude is wrong for threatening them and stuff like that. So I guess we'll give a 3. I guess we'll give a 3. You know what I'm saying? 3 out of 5. I guess we'll give a 3. Let me know in the comment section what you give them.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.